Greetings, garden design enthusiasts. Today we embark on an insightful journey into the 10 modern garden design ideas that can inspire your garden space. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's a comprehensive exploration of garden types that can inspire your garden space. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the details of these 10 modern garden design ideas. First, Minimalist Zen Garden. Minimalist Zen Garden creates a tranquil space with clean lines, minimalistic plant arrangements, and the soothing sound of water features like a small fountain or a reflective pond. Design elements for this Minimalist Zen Garden are about how to emphasize simplicity with clean lines, neutral colors, and limited plant varieties. Integrate natural materials like stone and gravel into the Minimalist Zen Garden. Try to include a focal point such as a small rock garden or a meditative area. Water features like a serene fountain or a minimalist pond can add a soothing ambience. The second one is Vertical Garden Paradise. A vertical garden paradise utilizes vertical spaces with green walls or hanging planters. This vertical garden paradise not only saves space but also adds a modern and vibrant look to your garden. Design elements for the vertical garden are about how to utilize vertical space with living walls or hanging planters, creating a lush, space-efficient garden. In a vertical garden paradise design, you can incorporate a mix of trailing and cascading plants for a dynamic effect. Select plants with varying textures and colors to create visual interest. Third, we have Sustainable Eco Garden. In the Sustainable Eco Garden, you design your garden with sustainability in mind, incorporating native plants, rainwater harvesting systems, and recycled materials. This eco-friendly approach can create a harmonious and responsible garden space. Design elements for this sustainable eco-garden are about how to choose native plants that thrive in your region, promoting biodiversity and requiring less maintenance. Integrate rain gardens, composting systems, and recycled materials for hardscaping. In a sustainable eco-garden, you can incorporate energy-efficient lighting and water-saving irrigation systems. Fourth, Contemporary Courtyard. A contemporary courtyard transforms your courtyard into a chic outdoor living area with stylish furniture, ambient lighting, and potted plants. This contemporary courtyard is perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a cozy evening outdoors. Design elements for the contemporary courtyard are about how to arrange sleek and comfortable outdoor furniture for a cozy living space. Use durable, weather-resistant materials. Install stylish lighting fixtures and add potted plants for a touch of greenery. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living areas. The fifth type is the most modern type of garden. It's called Futuristic Tech Garden. The Futuristic Tech Garden integrates smart technology into your garden with automated irrigation systems, ambient lighting controlled by apps, and even robotic lawn mowers. The modern touch of a futuristic tech garden adds convenience and a high-tech aesthetic. Design elements for this futuristic tech garden are about how to implement smart irrigation systems that adapt to weather conditions. Install ambient LED lighting controlled by mobile apps or sensors. Consider high-tech features like automated planters, solar-powered garden lights, and robotic lawn care devices. Sixth, you should consider an edible landscape to inspire your garden space. The edible landscape combines aesthetics with functionality by incorporating edible plants into your garden design. Fruit trees, vegetable patches, and herb gardens can be integrated seamlessly with modern landscaping. Design elements for this edible landscape are about how to blend ornamental and edible plants for a functional yet attractive garden. In an edible landscape, you can design raised beds or geometric plant arrangements. Choose fruit trees with interesting forms, and incorporate herbs and vegetables into flower beds. Consider edible flowers for added visual appeal. The seventh garden type is Sculptural Garden. The Sculptural Garden uses sculptures, art installations, or unique plant arrangements to create a visually striking garden. In a sculptural garden, you can choose plants with interesting shapes and textures to complement the sculptural elements. Design elements for this sculptural garden are about how to integrate sculptures or modern art installations strategically throughout the garden. Choose plants with unique shapes and textures. Use contrasting materials like metal or concrete for pathways and planters. Focus on creating a harmonious blend of nature and art. Eighth, Monochrome Garden is a unique type of garden. A monochrome garden creates a modern and sophisticated look by sticking to a monochrome color palette. This could involve using shades of white, gray, and black for both hardscape and plant selections. Design elements for this monochrome garden are about how to stick to a limited color palette, such as whites, grays, and blacks. Choose plants with foliage or flowers in the selected hues. Incorporate modern materials like concrete or stainless steel for hardscaping. This monochrome garden can create a sleek and sophisticated visual impact. Ninth, the most artistic garden type called Japanese-inspired garden. The Japanese-inspired garden infuses your garden with elements of Japanese design, such as a koi pond, bamboo features, and carefully placed rocks. This Japanese-inspired garden emphasizes harmony, balance, and a connection with nature. Design elements for this Japanese-inspired garden are about how to embrace Zen principles with carefully placed rocks, a koi pond, and bamboo features. Use gravel paths to symbolize water flow. Integrate minimalist plant arrangements, emphasizing balance and harmony. Add traditional lanterns or stepping stones for authenticity. 10th, the last but not least, is the rooftop oasis. The rooftop oasis transforms your rooftop into a lush oasis with container gardens, comfortable seating, and panoramic views. This is a fantastic way to maximize space in urban environments while creating a modern, green escape. Design elements for this rooftop oasis are about how to create a multi-level garden with raised beds or container gardens. Use lightweight and weather-resistant furniture for seating areas. Install wind-resistant plants and privacy screens. Integrate a mix of ornamental grasses, perennials, and small trees for a green retreat with city views. Consider adding an outdoor kitchen or fire pit for functionality. Okay, garden design enthusiasts, there you have it, our deep dive into 10 modern garden design ideas that can inspire your garden space. Remember to tailor these ideas to your personal preferences, climate, and available space for the best results. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, keep exploring, and happy gardening. Thank you.